mama now wants the COVID vaccine. COVID vaccine. COVID vaccine. Mama now wants the COVID vaccine. COVID vaccine. Now it's the time of the year when we close the schools, the pubs and the shops, and obey the rules. Staying at home like we know we should. No more walking round the neighborhood. Wash your hands and cover your face. Keep everyone around 2 meter space. Working all day without any rest. Everybody clap for the NHS. My mama now wants the COVID vaccine. COVID vaccine. COVID vaccine. My mama now wants the COVID vaccine. COVID vaccine.
Og mao kadto ang trending nga COVID vaccine song mga kapuso sa pamilyang Balatongan o mas naila nga Soulmates Band. Busa ato silang ilailahon karong buntaga. Magandang araw po sa inyo. Kumusta po Sir Lloyd and Liam?
Good morning, good morning. Morning, Cecil.
How are you Sir Lloyd? How are you Liam?
I'm good.
Very excited to start the day because Liam's going back to school.
Good luck for you, Liam, ha? And enjoy school. Ayan, Sir Lloyd. Kasi ang ganda ng aming umaga dahil kayo yung makakasama po namin. And of course, yung anak din nyo. Kumusta po si Mrs.? Saan po si Mrs. ngayon?
Unfortunately, Jackie cannot join because she's working. So kami lang muna, the duo.
Sir Lloyd, nung nandito pa po kayo sa Pilipinas, dito po ba nabuo yung banda nyo ni Mrs.?
So me and my wife met through music sa church, sa Youth for Christ, dito doon sa Philippines. And then from there, we just sort of played in mga bars, events, ganon sa Iloilo. And then, pero yung Soulmates mismo na pangalan is dito na sa UK.
What made you form a band with your kid and your wife, Sir Lloyd?
So, noong 2019 kasi, we went into the regional finals and national finals of a prestigious music competition, yung Soundwaves Music Competition. And wala kaming drummer that time. So, siya na lang yung nag-fill in for the drums. And we luckily won the competition. So, we're the only Filipinos na nagpanalo dun sa Soundwaves Music Competition dito sa buong UK.
How about you, Liam? How did your love for music started?
When I was little, and I used to play the beatbox.
At dahil nga sa talento nyo ni Mrs., nakabuo po kayo ng kanta tungkol sa COVID vaccines dyan sa
Yes.
UK. Anong nagtulak po sa inyo na makompose itong kantang ito?
So, this song is based on our original song na Marmalade Shake. So the song goes, my mama don't want the marmalade shake. Pero during our online shows in Sessions Live, yung app, one of our fans who is also our neighbor, yung pangalan is Paul Aton, he was secretly writing some lyrics with the COVID vaccine team. So from there on, sinabi niya sa akin, and then we sort of collaborated with the lyrics. So we changed the whole lyrics of the song into COVID vaccine. And then suddenly, out of nowhere, yung local hospital namin asked for us to help encourage the vaccinations. So, na-upload na namin sa Spotify yung song when they said, can you help us with encouraging people to get COVID vaccine? So, I told them about the song, and from there, they picked up yung song, they liked it. And after a while, na-pick up nung BBC Radio Derby.
This song is very close to your heart, Sir, ano? Kasi kayo po ba, ng misis nyo, both of you are working as health frontliners. Tama po ba?
Yes po. I'm a nurse, and my wife's also a key worker din dito.
How about Liam? What's your message to your fellow young ones, the fellow kids that you know, lalo na dito sa Pilipinas? Are you scared to be vaccinated?
Kind of. Then it's good for you, so not really that scared.
I'm sure your parents made you understand the benefits of the vaccine.
Yeah.
What would you like to tell the younger ones about it? Would you encourage it to them?
Yeah.
And Sir Lloyd, ano po yung mga shows, sir, na gusto nyong i-promote? Saan po kayo pwedeng sundan ng mga fans at followers nyo?
Yes, so we would like to thank everyone for sharing the good vibes of this music video. And you can follow our shows every Mondays and Fridays sa Sessions Live app po. That is Tuesdays and Saturdays in Philippines, 4 a.m. from 4 a.m. till late na dito sa UK. So you can catch us Mondays, Fridays there, and sa YouTube, sa Facebook, Instagram namin, we have some shows there as well. And also you can stream and download the music COVID Vaccine in Spotify and Apple Music.
Sir, and lastly, ano po yung mensahe nyo po para sa mga viewers natin, lalong-lalo na sa mga kapuso natin dyan sa Iloilo?
Sa mga kapuso, sa mga kababayan namin dyan sa Iloilo, stay safe, spread kindness lang palagi, and be good to each other. We will get out of this pandemic soon, kaya be positive.
At maraming salamat po sa good vibes na dala ng buong pamilya nyo, Sir Lloyd.
Thank you very much. Thank you as well for having us here. Thank you. It's our privilege.